In this video, we will look at how to permanently save changes to your copy of a SolidWorks template. For example, saving it so that it has your name, a date field, a name field, etc., all filled in for you to make it easier as you use drawings. This video is considered optional, and you can revisit this at a later time if you don't have the time or the energy to do it right now, but you really want to do it later. This will be available to you from now on. So what I have open is SolidWorks, and I'm going to go ahead and click the open folder icon, and I'm going to come to my copy of my templates. Okay, so now I'm not on the L drive. I'm not modifying everyone's copy. I'm modifying my copy. And I also didn't go to new. So you notice I didn't go to new. I'm going to open my template folder. So I'm going into my templates, and I'm going to open my inch drawing DRWDOT file. So this is a drawing template, document template file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and open it. So now I'm not in a drawing, I'm in a template file. I'm using very specific language here to emphasize that this is not a place I should be putting drawing views and dimensioning and notes. This is just the template. And it's a two-step process to fix my template. The first step is to edit my sheet format and fix this to be my information. So here, put your caps lock on, type your name, and then we're going to go ahead and put some smart fields in here so that it updates generally with my document. So for example, scale. I can link to, in the current document, I can link to the sheet scale. Here it is, sheet scale. So now it will automatically be the same as whatever the scale on my sheet is. Okay, so then again, I can put in, so I'm going to click on annotation and note. I can, in this box, just put in a text box, and I'm not going to type anything. I'm going to link to the text property of the file name. So once again, I'm going to set up that shortcut so that it's always updating with whatever I save it as. That means please don't save your files as drawing 1, drawing 2, drawing 3. Please don't put expletives in your files. I know it can get frustrating if things don't go right. These are all things I've seen in student files, so avoid that. Okay, so we have our file name, we have our scale, we have our author name. So now we need the date. So the note goes over here. And again, this is a link to property option, property name, short date. Okay. And now this is all set up, and this is what I want to happen in every drawing I make, right? And that's the point of a template, to save this kind of information. So I return out of edit sheet format to go back to edit sheet, and that icon goes away. So now I have 2 steps to save. So I've updated my sheet format. So now I need to save my sheet format, and this is only available under the File menu. So please come to File and Save Sheet Format. So I'm going to click Save Sheet Format, and this is my size A format. Size A is a letter size piece of paper. It's what you're getting out of the printer every time you print. Save. Yes, I want to replace it. I am in, let me just, oh, you know what? Nope, because I think this has remembered the last place I was. I want to be in my own copy here. So make sure you're in your own copy. Always a good thing. And when you're ready, save, and yes, replace it. So now my sheet format's up to date. So now I save to make sure my template is up to date. So there's 2 pieces of background work in every drawing template. It's number 1, the drawing template file, but also the sheet format that is the background of the file. So now I'm going to close my template and try new, and I'm going to open, oh, I didn't map that. So I'm going to have to map. So as a reminder, if you're going to map your document templates, I'm going to add another, I'm going to have a lot of document templates. Okay, so there's my document templates. I also do my sheet formats. And it thinks it needs admin access. It doesn't. So just remember, hit no a couple of times and it will update. So new, and now this should be updated. Fingers crossed. Oh, okay, so that's still the L drive one. I have to, so instead, I guess I'm just going to open my template to double check. So this is updated, and for you, because you only have one folder that's linked to your templates now, and this is in your folder for your templates, when you hit new drawing, it should look up to date with your information. So that's how you make permanent changes to the template. I have the correct version of this template saved myself, so as the L drive version gets updated, which inevitably it will, I will overwrite it with the blank format. That means please don't be saving your copy there. Your copy will disappear if it is the public copy that's available to all of the sections of EG 110. If you have questions about any of this, as always, post it to the discussion board or talk to your instructor. Thanks for watching.